Make a Father's Day cake with us. First step, peeling off the backing. If you are having trouble, gently roll your topper to loosen the backing. And then peel. Carefully lay in the center of the cake. Then gently pat down, smoothing any bubbles, starting in the middle and working out. Be sure to use clean, dry hands or a cake tool for this. Time to decorate. Pipe around the edges. As you can tell, we are not professional bakers. This is my helpful husband. We offer these optional deer heads for $10 with your cake topper purchase. Just place a dab of frosting on the back and place it on. We have 6 different hunting-inspired cake toppers in the Etsy shop now.